Hello to everyone. For today I have chosen one competition algebraic question, namely the following one. Calculate the following expression. Square root from 2020 on square plus 2020 on square times 2021 on square and plus 2021 on square. Let's start solving this question. First of all, before to start to make any I will say steps, let's firstly make short analysis. First of all, we want to calculate square root of something, and obviously and probably this number under the root is a large one, so I don't have any intention to calculate this. I don't want to waste my time for nothing, just for calculation. Because of that, we must find a clever way to calculate this. Actually, I hope that this under the root must be perfect square if this question have a solution at all. Because of that, I want to configure inside the square root a perfect square. And now, remember this. For this type of question, always the best is to work with another variable, actually to introduce additional variable, not to use the exact numbers. Because of that, I will introduce a new variable. In this way, let 2020 equal x. Then, obviously, 2021 will be x plus 1. And we get. Let's denote under the root the expression under the root with a. So, as we said, we hope that a will be a perfect square, and then the square root and the square will cancel out. Let's try to see in which way we can transform this expression under the root. Now, 2020 on square plus 2020 on square times 2021 on square and plus 2021 on square becomes what? 2020 was denoted with x, so x squared plus x squared times 2021 is x plus 1, so x plus 1 square. And at the end we have x plus 1 on square. Let's figure out what to do now. We can go to multiply here and then to simplify everything like terms, etc. But let's think a little bit. Let's try to multiply here inside. What we will have? We have x on square plus x square. We know binomial on square, x on square plus 2x plus 1 and plus x plus 1 square equal. Let's transform totally. What we will have? X square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 and plus, this is the same, x square plus 2x plus 1. And let's make one more additional step. X square plus x squared times x squared, that is x on fourth, plus x squared times 2x on cube, and plus x squared, plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. And this becomes what? X on fourth power plus 2x on cube and plus 3x on square plus 2x plus 1. And now, let's look at this expression. We must find out which square is this. We can hope to have binomial on square, but also it is possible to have a trinomial on square. First of all, I will give the both formulas for binomial and trinomial on square. We have a plus b on square is exactly a squared plus b squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What about a plus b plus c squared? this is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times ab plus bc plus c. Let's write this one more time to be a little bit more beautiful. So a plus b plus c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times ab plus bc plus c. And now let's write what we get from the previous. A was a on fourth plus, let's check, a on fourth plus x on fourth plus 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. So x on fourth plus, fuck you, damn sure, x на квадрат plus x plus 7. Okay. Hello to everyone. For today I have chosen one competition algebraic question, namely the following one. Calculate the following expression. Square root of 2020 on square plus 2020 on square times 2021 on square and plus 2021 on square. Let's start. Before begin to solve this question, let's make a short analysis. Namely, what we need to calculate. We need to calculate a square root. Probably these numbers and the expression under the root is too large number. Because of that, I don't have any intentions to calculate here. I don't want to waste my and your time in calculations. Let's try to find another more clever way. Remember, when we're dealing with this kind of questions, always it's clever to use new variables instead of the numbers. Actually, to introduce new variables, just to avoid calculations. Let's start. Firstly, let's denote this expression under the root with a. Let's go. Let 2020 is equal to x. Then 2021 is equal to x plus 1. What is the idea? The idea is to review a general form of this expression and to hope that a, the expression under the root, is a perfect square. In that way, after we deduce that, we will have square root from a perfect square, and then the root and the square will cancel out and everything will be fine in the end. So our goal is to prove that the expression, in this case a or this, is a perfect square. Let's go further. Then we have a equal to 2020 on square, that is a on square, x on square, plus 2020 was denoted with x, so x squared times 2021 is x plus 1 squared, and plus x plus 1 squared. Let's go further. What to do? Let's first deal with this midterm because it is the most complicated. X squared plus x squared. Don't forget the formulas for the binomial on square. A plus b on square, I will write here, a plus b on square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Let's go further. So this is x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus x plus 1 squared. Let me think a little bit. Okay, let's proceed in this way. X squared plus x squared times x squared is x on fourth, and plus, I will leave this x squared 2x plus 1. I will leave this together, plus x plus 1 squared. You will see why. Let's rewrite this. This goes with the largest degree on the first place. X on fourth plus x on square, this, plus x on square 2x plus 1, and plus x plus 1 square equal. This is x on fourth plus, let's take x squared in front of the bracket. We will have 1 from here, 1 plus 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, and plus x plus 1 on square. This is equal to x on fourth plus x on square. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2x plus 2 plus x plus 1 on square. Let's simplify here. 2 will go outside of the bracket, so we get equal x on fourth plus, we said 2 is going out, 2 x on square x plus 1 plus x plus 1 on square. And what this looks like. Don't forget the formula for the binomial on square. I'll remind you one more time. A plus b on square equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And let's see what is happening here. So a was x on fourth plus 2x squared plus x plus 1 plus x plus 1 square. Compare with this formula. This is x on square plus 2 times x squared times x plus 1 and times and plus x plus 1 square. And this is actually the same form, and it is equal to x squared plus x plus 1 all on square. So great job for now. So what will be the conclusion? Then root of a, I will write with black pencil, root of a will be root of x squared plus x plus 1 all on square, as we hope also. And this is equal to exactly the square root, and the square will cancel out, x squared plus x plus 1. But in our case, x squared was 2020. So 2020 on square, 2020 and plus 1. We just left to calculate this on a calculator, for example, or we can do that, I will say, on a paper. Plus 2020 and plus 1. And this is exactly 4,082,421.